well above average, 5 or 6 degrees above average right the way through the week, but we are having to pay for it because we've got an active weather system on the horizon. With all that warm air around, of course, we've had some heavy rain. One band of rain moved away yesterday, then it was dry for a time, but we've had some really heavy rain and thunder and everything coming up to the southwest during today, and that's going to be moving on during this afternoon as well, developing all the while. I think the heaviest rain is going to come up that western side, as indeed earlier on today. This is the way things were looking a few hours ago. Lots of thunderstorms and those bursts of torrential rain right across the West Country. So for this afternoon it's going to be Wales, parts of the Midlands, mostly the Western Midlands, and into Northern Ireland where we get the heaviest rain. But there's going to be rain working its way right the way up across the whole of England and Wales and Northern Ireland this afternoon. A little bit of brightness perhaps to begin with in the northwest there of England. Certainly very bright in central and eastern areas of Scotland, the best of the sunshine there. But right along this east coast it's going to stay dull and damp and misty. And as I said, some of that rain in the south quite heavy, but drier, brighter weather already beginning to feed in from the southwest. Not completely dry. There will be 1 or 2 showers. Temperature's not bad. In that rain and quite a stiff breeze that picks up at the same time, it won't feel particularly mild, but in any brightness, and when it brightens up later on, temperature's not too bad. Now this is the problem. This particular weather system producing the rain at the moment is going to move up into Scotland tonight. Now that's not a major problem because the rain by then won't be quite so heavy, but what is this next pulse of rain that's going to work northwards across most of England and even into parts of Wales during the course of the night, and then heading on northwards into tomorrow. So expect in many parts of the country some really heavy downpours, and that could well give some local flooding. It is going to be a mild night though, as you can see, virtually everywhere. Very complicated chart for tomorrow. Little area of low pressure moving north across the country. A lot of wet weather around, I think, in many places. The heaviest rain easing northwards as time goes on, allowing somewhat brighter weather to filter into the south, although as it brightens up, I think we'll find some showers. Then that weather front stuck fast along eastern parts into Sunday, so that's the most likely area, I think, to stay cloudy with further outbreaks of rain. In central and western areas, after some mist and fog to begin with, brightening up, although there will be 1 or 2 showers, but it is going to stay unsettled, I think, even into next week, because we're going to find some more showery rain working its way northwards during the course of Monday, and still some rain in many northern and eastern areas and some overnight fog. So pretty unsettled.